Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix can't be displayed on Telegram. So when you're trying to watch something or content on the Instagram, on Telegram, and you can't actually go and watch it because it says, this video or this content cannot be displayed. Here's how to fix it. Go back to your screen and go to your Telegram web. Again, web.telegram.org. web.telegram.org and try to sign in using your credentials, your phone number specifically. Click the three bars at the top left. And then go ahead to the settings. Scroll a little bit down to find privacy and security. Scroll a little bit down and you're gonna see right here the sensitive content, and make sure to turn on the show 18 plus content so you can see the hidden content or the content that you cannot see on the Telegram app. And then just go back and apply the settings and go back to your screen and try to watch that content, and now you should be able to watch it with ease. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.